Hi everyone. In the last class, we have seen packages with access modifiers along with one example. Okay. Now let us continue the previous class. Uh, the remaining one is working with multiple packages communication of different location. Multiple packages communication which are in different location. I mean, in the morning class, we have seen how to communicate multi-level packages which are in different locations also. Okay. Now let's see multiple packages communication means. For example, like for example, let me take there is a directory. The directory name is CSC BC, which I am working right now. Okay, fine. So for example, this directory is available in E folder. Is available in E folder. Okay. For example, I am having one folder which is available in D directory whose folder name is beta. Its folder name is beta, and there is one more folder whose name is let me take as gamma, which is available in F drive. F drive. I mean, observe here. I am having three folders: D, E, F folders. These three drives. I am presently working from E drive CSCBC. I want to communicate the files which are available in D drive as well as F drive. That is my concept here. Okay, fine. For example, let me take the C drive contains one folder I want to create. That folder name I'm calling it as alpha. Alpha. So it contains one class called Sriram.class. From Sriram, class name is Sriram. Okay, means this class wants to communicate with the different files which are available in different folders, different drives. One is G drive, another one is F drive. Okay, fine. For example, I am going to take simple example. That's it. So I am going to create this. It contains some class. Let me take as Arjun. Arjun class, and this gamma folder contains one simple file class called as Asif dot class file. Class file. Okay. Okay, this Arjun class contains, let me take a simple variable whose value is 535. Meaning that I want to access this value 535 to this Sriram class. That's it. So it means that indirectly we are trying to communicate. That's it. So our interest is how to communicate over different drives, different which are available in different locations. Similarly, here I will take here I have taken a variable. Here I will take some kind of method like that, some method m. So I have to call this m method from the Sriram class. That's it. So this is my simple example. Okay. So let me take editor. Control N. Okay. First, let me create the package. First, I will complete this D and F drives. D and F drives. So this doesn't contain any kind of main method, right? Yes. So just I will compile package beta. Package beta. I'm simply taking public public pass. I'm taking as Arjun. Control C, Control S, Control V, dot Java. See, where I am saving, I am saving in CSC BC folder only, but the dot class file I am going to copy in the which drive? I'm going to copy in the D drive. How to copy? You can copy it in two ways. One is through by cut and copy. Another way is through while compiling. You can do that. Okay, fine. I have created Arjun class, which contains a normal variable, something public int d equal to 535. That's it. Simple, simple one. Now I'm trying to compile this one. I'm trying to compile this one. What I can do? Java C space. I want to create a folder. Create a folder. In which location? If I write like dot, it means I want to create in the current working directory. What is the current working directory? CSC BC. But I want to create in which directory? I want to create in D drive. I want to create in D drive. So how to make that syntax? You know, right? In the morning class, I said already. What is the syntax of compiling the packages? Java C space directory I want to create, the location I want to create. In the which location I want to create. So in which location I want to create? I want to create in D drive. Let us assume that. So I will go for copy the D drive. I will just simply paste that D drive, and the file name is arjun.java. Arjun.java. Let's observe beta folder is not available in D drive. Now let me compile this. See, compiled successfully. If you go for D drive, beta folder is there or not, and it has copied arjun.class file or not? Yes, it is copied. So it is completed. Then I will create one more file which is available in E drive, which is available in F drive. Let me take F drive, which is available in F drive, whose folder name is gamma. So for that, what I need to do? I need to take gamma, package gamma, public class archive. If I want to save, Control C, Control S, Control V dot Java. I have saved in CSVC folder. Then I am going to take public void some method, like I am taking some method called CSC. See, the purpose of the CSC method is I just want to show to call this one. That's it. System.out.println of CSC method called. CSC method called. Okay. So no need of any kind of main method here. Why? Because only Sriram class is trying to communicate with beta and gamma. Okay, fine. I will try to compile Java C space. Java C space. I want to create a folder in which drive I want to create in like let us assume that F drive. F drive is there. F drive. So there is no name with Asif. So I will take it F drive, and then I will make it as Asif dot Java. Compile successfully. Just refresh. Asif. Sorry, it's not Asif. The folder name is Gamma. Gamma. Gamma is created along with the file asif.class. Yes. So these two completed successfully. Now I would like to create one more folder in CSC BC which contains a Sriram.class file. Try to complete. Okay. Fine. Now I'm going to take one more thing. So what is another one? I want to create alpha. So I will take package alpha uh, public class, for example Sriram. I will try to save. Control C, Control S, Control V dot Java. So this class requires main method, public class, sorry, public static void main string aux. String aux. This main method try to communicate with system dot out dot println of I am from Sriram class. Just I'm trying to print. Then I would like to print the value which I have given in I am from Arjun class. What's the value? Arjun.java. D. I have to call D. Call D. Okay, fine. Right, instead of creating object, if I make this as a static, can I call with respect to class name or not? Simply, I can call with respect to Arjun.d. Okay, so as I modified there, I want to compile once again Arjun. Compile successfully. Arjun.d. Then Asif CSC method call, right? I will just call. So this one also I will make as static. Why static? Because I can able to call directly. Once I make modification, I need to again asif.java. Compile successfully. Now asif asif dot the method name is cs. Name is cs. Compile successfully. Just go for compilation. Here there are some problems. I made it as intentionally not written. If I made like this, so which directory you want to copy, which directory you want to create a folder, the same directory, right? So I don't want to make that. I will make only dot Sriram dot Java. You will get lot of errors. What are the errors? It won't know what's the meaning of Arjun. It won't know meaning of what is the meaning of Ashif. Okay, means they are the predefined classes that we know, but the compiler doesn't know. So for that reason, what you need to do? You need to write the import keyword or fully qualified names you have to write. So from which package you need to import? You need to import from Arjun. Arjun is available from which drive? Arjun is available in beta. Available in beta dot. If you want, you can write star, or if you want, you can write Arjun. Similarly, if I write import gamma dot Ashif, gamma dot Ashif. Now just check, is it works? Now you got more errors compared to the previous one. Package beta does not exist. Package gamma does not exist. Why it is saying that it is not existed? In the morning classes, while explaining how to communicate with multiple packages of different folders, what you need to do, you need to set the class path. Why we are moving for this process? Because there is a one approach, that is blind approach can't work perfectly. It will work perfectly, but if you have multiple, if you want to import from multiple locations, this is not the correct way. So we'll go for class path. So similarly, now also we are trying to work with multiple folders, right? Then what we need to do is we need to set the class path. Meaning that I want to show to my compiler that beta and gamma folders are available in some other locations. If they are in the same location, I don't need to define the class path. If they are in different locations, I need to define the class paths also. So how we are going to write? Set space class path equal to, I'm going to write dot. So in the morning I said why I'm writing dot, because so if you are going to set the class path through command prompt, it is a temporary one. For whatever the class paths that are exist already, for that it is going to add this corresponding class path. So which class path I need to add? For example, if I add F, or if I add D drive, 1 minute. If I add D drive and make compile. Okay. Now, guys, observe clearly. Observe clearly. Now, what I did is I have set the class path for D drive. Set the class path for D drive. D drive contains what folder? Beta. Now, try to check which errors you are getting. You got any kind of errors which are related to D drive? No, because it is already pointed to the location. We set the class path. Am I right or not? Yes. Now, to overcome this error, I am trying to set the class path for F drive. I say. Now try to execute once again. You got once again the errors which are related to D drive. Meaning that through command prompt, whatever the things that we are going to set, it is going to erase from once we set another class path. So instead of that, what we can do is we can combine both classes. Okay, I'm going to write dot. What I did, F drive B colon slash F. If you want, you can just copy. Sorry, I'll just make. I'm going to set the class path for both D drive and F drive. Now try to compile. Compile successfully, right? Yes. It has compiled successfully. Just go to the drive, E drive, CSCBC. Here alpha created or not? Alpha created. In that Sriram class is also created. Now I try to execute the Sriram class. How to execute? Java space. If I write Sriram, what will happen? You will get an error because we are trying to work with packages. As you are trying to work with packages, you need to define through fully qualified name alpha dot Sriram. I am from Sriram class. I am from Arjun class 535. CSC method is called. CSC method is called. Yes. Okay, fine. So this is the way we are going to communicate between multiple packages communication which are in different locations. Okay, fine. So this is all about the concept of packages. Thank you.